Hi, I'm Amber from WTI, and if you struggle to find wireless earbuds that actually fit your ears, you are going to want to give these a try. I have such a hard time with finding earbuds that fit. I love these because they actually just loop right over my ear. This little loop here makes it so easy to attach these to my ear. I'll insert the little earplug and then spin it. It also comes with 3 different sizes for these earbuds to make sure it fits perfectly in your ear. So I use the smallest size. The individual earbud has some cool features on it. These little buttons here are for your playback, so you can either skip your song or you can change the volume up and down. You can also end a call or pause your music with this button right here. So I've used these for listening to music on the go, on walks with my dog. I also like to use them when talking on the phone with different people. And when I'm done listening to them, I just put them right back in the case. These have 60 hours of playback time. I definitely don't listen to that much music in a day. I'm mostly just listening to music on walks with my dogs, and I find that this is perfect. It lasts me so long. So these are water resistant, so you don't want to wear them like in the shower, in a pool, but they are going to be safe for you to take out jogging with you. If it all of a sudden starts to downpour, you'll be just fine. So if you're looking for a really great earbud set, I strongly recommend these. And that is my point of view.